Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Skype account. But you should keep in mind one thing, that deleting your Skype account means basically deleting your Microsoft account, because your Microsoft account is the account that is linked to Skype, as Skype is owned by Microsoft. So you would be deleting your Microsoft account in reality. So now if you want to proceed, open up the app. Now once you're in the app, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now in here, scroll down and in here click on settings. Now in here click on account and profile, and in here click on close your account, which says delete your Microsoft account. Click on it. Now after that they will take you to a Google tab, and after that they will ask you to sign in using your Microsoft account. Now after that you will get this page. Now in here you can read all this. After that scroll down and select this option to 30, and after that click on next. Now after that select all the options that are there, and after that select a reason, and after that click on mark account for closure, and your Microsoft account would be deleted within the next 30 days. So that is how you can delete your Skype account.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Skype account. But keep in mind that deleting your Skype account means deleting your Microsoft account, because basically your Microsoft account is your Skype account. Now in order to do that, click on these three buttons right here. Now in here click on settings. Now in here you will see close your account in the accounts and profile section. Click on it. Now after that it will ask you to sign in using your Microsoft account. Now once you sign in, it will take you to this page right here. Now in here just simply scroll down. You can read all this. Click on the 60 right here, and in here click on 30, and after that simply scroll down, and in here click on next. Now in here you would just have to select all the options that appear here. So simply scroll down and select all these options, and after you're done with that, select a reason, and after that click on mark account for closure, and your Microsoft account would be deleted in the next 30 days. So that is how you can delete your Skype account.